Well, the Fayette County Commission met in an emergency meeting today about the water crisis in Page-Kincaid. They decided to vote to petition for the removal of all 3 members of the Page-Kincaid Public Service District. Newswatch reporter Anna Saunders was there and tells us what's next.
Unanimous decision by the Fayette County Commission to petition for the removal of all 3 members of the Page-Kincaid Public Service District: Robert Williams, John David, and James Kincaid Jr.
There has been document after document after document from the Public Service Commission about this utility and the inability to make it solvent. There are requirements that are legal requirements about a reserve, and that's been on the books. There is no reserve. The Commission has loaned money to try to help, and that's been a year ago. And so it is frustrating. It's very frustrating because there are no more excuses. We cannot stand by anybody in this county and allow this to continue.
The area has been experiencing discolored and foul-smelling water for years. Members of the PSD and others joined in on the meeting via conference call and say the ongoing water issue is a result of unmonitored mining and blasting and frequent leaks and breaks. Even though they confirm the police were not called, they say the recent boil water advisory was a result of vandalism and it has since been fixed. PSD board member John David claimed in the meeting that this is just a ploy to give West Virginia American Water control.
We think that this has all been planned for a long time, planned ahead, and is part of an orchestrated campaign. For years and years and years and years, we have won all kinds of awards nationally for quality and good water, and there's no reason why that couldn't continue to happen.
But as the commission receives emails and complaints from residents asking for American Water, Scalf says they have given them all the chances over the past few years to fix their system. So now it will be up to a judge whether they get officially removed.
So petitions will be drafted that will be filed in circuit court, and then at some point it'll be set for a hearing in circuit court where the judge decides whether or not we meet the burden to have them removed.
Mosey says this will not affect the current investigation by the Public Service Commission in Charleston. Reporting in Fayette County, I'm Anna Saunders, Newswatch.
The PSD is under investigation by the Public Service Commission with the hearing date set for July 16th as the commission hopes to bring the PSD and American Water to the table to reach an agreement on American Water taking over the system.